Yo, what's poppin'? Alright, so today we are installing an excessive SC300 clutch pedal and master cylinder. I don't remember what car that came out of, but it's from some other type of car. But it fits on this fucking thing. This $400 SC300. So, I'm gonna be mounting that up, putting the clutch line on. That's about it for this video. But next video, I'm gonna be installing the flywheel, clutch, torquing at the spec, pilot bearing or bushing, whatever one that came with, I don't remember. We'll be installing that because the automatics did not come with that. Not everyone knows that. Actually, some automatic cars did have like a bushing or a bearing in there. I think a bushing, some of them did. I think my R32 did. So yeah, stay tuned for that good shit. The clutch pedal here from Excessive came in the mail the other day. Came with the line, or it didn't come with the line actually, I had to pay separate. Ended up being like 260 bucks or so. But it's hard finding fucking 5-speed parts for these things. Seems pretty legit, I guess, besides there's like no rubber for the pedal, which I could probably buy that. And they actually tell you to use 2 crush washers in the bottom and 1 on top, just because the bolt that they call out is actually too long. So we'll see how it goes. I think from the instructions it says I'm gonna have to cut a hole in the firewall. So let's see if you can see that. Alright, you can't see much right now, but I'm gonna have to pull some sound deadening back and see if there's a hole or not there. I'm not 100% sure yet. I've never done this before on an SC. But we'll find out if I do have to. I got some drill bits here. I got 1¼ inch hole bit for the center. And then they want 3/8 drill bit for the 2 studs there. 1¼ inch for the centerpiece, like the boot. So let's check it. Let's see what happens. Alright, so don't mind that random hole right there. Somebody ran a freaking power wire through that jank ass hole for a subwoofer. But up there you can see, looks like I might be able to knock them out if I can't drill them. That's where the clutch pedal is going to go. The master cylinder is going to bolt there. So I got like 3 holes that look like maybe knockouts. If not, it'll be easy to drill because I don't know exactly where they're going. So that's not too bad. I'm going to try knocking them out first, and then if I can't knock them on, I'll just drill it. See what it looks like from the outside. Fucking light, sorry. Come on. That looks like it's gonna suck. I might have to pull the booster off. We'll see. Hopefully, if you guys are doing this at home, I don't know how close it gets, but definitely don't drill into your brake booster. Yeah, look at those hot boy wheels. Those came off of it. These XXRs, I don't know what the hell they are, 982s or some shit. They're going on there. There's some dish. Some dish. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do, we definitely can't knock those out. It's like 2 pieces of metal. I tried, but so we're gonna take out this lower kick panel that goes underneath this gray piece. It's black. I already took mine out. There it is. I also took out whatever the fuck that was. Some sort of, I think, remote start. I definitely won't be needing that garbage. And then let's get in here. You're gonna be taking this 10mm out and that 10mm right there. I'm gonna take this bracket down, just move this out the way. Then I'll have plenty of room for the drill. Just drill straight. Have it done nice and right. Look at all these fucking things. Look at all that shit. Junk. Fucking junk. $400 junk. Look at this shit. I mean, no issues once this thing's running. Okay, it's got it drilled. You can see it there. See light coming through. Oh, it was not too bad to drill actually. Really easy to drill. Really thin material. Let's see it from the inside. Boom. Nice and easy. That's an 1.25 inch hole in the center, 3/8 on the sides. This is the drill I use. Just is a 1/2 inch chuck drill. You might not need it depending on what you use for bits. It's a setup I used for those 10 millimeters. There's one above the vent, which can be kind of a pain to get to, but it's doable. Alright, time to get that master bolted in with the pedal. Gang. Okay, what you're gonna want to do when installing this pedal is leave the master cylinder studs loose. Like, you want the nuts just like pretty much started, and then the top support bolt, you want to get that in there first. Otherwise it's gonna be really hard if you tighten up the master first. I just did that. That's about it. I gotta cut my brake pedal. Automatic brake pedals are wider, so help, coach. We'll do that. I'm gonna get that push rod hooked up to the pedal, all that good stuff. Probably cut this brake pedal. All right, and there you have it. The pedal is fully installed. This socket cap with the nylon nut, you want to leave that just so the threads come through the nylon. It's still loose, but that's because it actually pivots when, you know, the pedal's in play. Other than that, I would say it's a fairly decent product. Everything lined up well. I gotta really cut that pedal down. I didn't do that yet. Let's get a look at that master, yo. Yo, this place is a mess right now. I really gotta clean up. I just ripped the tranny out. Fucking good chilling. That's not bad. Get your room, get some fluid in there and all that good stuff. Didn't have to remove the booster, so that's awesome. The line will go up there. The line won't be hard to run actually. I'm deleting all this ABS stuff, so I'll have a video on that in the future. We'll get rid of this pump, whatever the fuck, this ABS canister, whatever the hell that thing is. There's like 30 lines that run back there. Over to that, I don't know what, I thought this was the pump. That's ABS pump, I think. I don't know what that is. ABS module, pulsator, garbage, extra weight we're gonna get rid of. You guys know these cars are heavy as fuck. I'm also gonna be removing the rest of the plasti dip off this fucking thing. So hopefully the paint's like halfway decent, whatever. $400 car, you know? What are you gonna do? Slap some eBay coilovers on it. Go to town. Yeah. Get the S14 out there. That was a part out. But I'm gonna hook up the line on this side. I don't have the tranny in it yet, so here we go. I will take this apart here. It's the line. This is the banjo fitting with the AN adapter. So I'll get this on first. Then I'll get this on. Actually, I'll do that now, so I'm not like stressed on it. So there's a washer in there. The banjo side comes with the pedal, and the AN adapter comes with the line. I got like all my tools out right now. Alright, just tighten this up. There's our banjo end, banjo bolt, 3 crush washers, 2 on the bottom because they can't buy the right size bolt. So I'll throw that on. That pedal install wasn't as bad as I thought. When I heard I had to drill the firewall, I was like, motherfucker. But honestly, you have like a lot of room in there. Once you get that tilt assist or steering wheel tilt module or whatever out of there, you're good to go. It's really hard filming under the dash, otherwise I would. Let's see. Actually, that looks like a 10 mil. I'm gonna grab a wrench. .7/16. That's it. It's weird. I don't know why they wouldn't just use metric stuff. Whatever. Really should just get rid of all the standard shit by now. Adapt to the rest of the world, America. There's like no room in here. Okay, we got clutch pedal installed. I would say overall it was a, I don't know, 3 out of 5 difficulty. It wasn't too bad actually. Like, you got to drill the holes into the firewall, which isn't bad. It's actually wicked easy to drill once you move that bracket and the tilt assist module or whatever out the way. You can get in there pretty decently with the drill, and it takes like less than a minute to drill. It's not fucking hard. Definitely leave the master cylinder loose on the pedal and tighten up the top bracket on the pedal first. Otherwise you'll be like way off and it won't line up and you'll think something's fucked up. That's kind of what happened to me. It happens, whatever. Actually in the instructions it says tighten everything evenly. So take that as you will, I guess. So I don't know, stay tuned. Next video, episode 2 of the 5-speed swap, I will be installing flywheel and clutch. We got a stage 3 6-puck. What the fuck is it? XTD clutch. Yeah, good shit. Fucking $300 kit, baby. Garbage. All of it's garbage. We'll be doing that. I don't know, probably pulling the differential out of this thing soon to get that welded up. Get some plates cut and shit, and I'll weld it. I gotta get some cast for my welder, but stay tuned, peeps. Like and subscribe, all that shit.